In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation bar on Google Sites fast and easy. If you're ready to create a more organized and user-friendly website, let's get started. First, open your browser. We're going to head straight to Google Sites. A quick Google search for Google Sites will lead you right there. Once you're on the search results page, click on the first link to Google Sites, and it will take you to the platform where you can begin working on your website. Now that you're on Google Sites, you need to access the site you want to edit, or create a new one if you haven't done so already. You'll see a list of available sites right in front of you once you log in. Go through the list, find your site, and simply click on it to open it. Once you're in the editing interface of your site, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a gear icon, which represents settings. Click on this icon to pull up the settings options. A menu will open, and you'll want to look for the navigation section. Go ahead and click on Navigation. This is the area where you'll configure your navigation bar, which is essential for helping users explore your site seamlessly. Now within the navigation settings, look for an option labeled Mode. Clicking on this will give you choices related to the positioning of your navigation bar. You'll see options that let you choose between different navigation presets, including the side or top positioning for your navigation bar. Choose whichever suits your design and layout the best. Once you've decided on the position, it's time to set up your pages, which will be placed into your navigation bar. Look towards the panel on the left, where you'll find a Pages icon. Clicking this will open up the Pages Manager, where you can see all the individual pages of your site. Now, to create a new page, look for the plus icon at the bottom of this panel. Clicking it will prompt you to name your new page. Simply type in the desired name for your page and press the Done button. As you're adding pages, remember each page you create here will automatically appear within the navigation bar, offering users a readily accessible link to navigate through your site's content. And there you have it. You've just set up a navigation bar with personalized pages. This will not only enhance your site's user experience, but will also keep your content organized and accessible. So go ahead and experiment a bit with the style and configuration to suit your needs. Finally, once everything's set, don't forget to save your changes. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and happy site building.